Hi, my name is Hatem. I'm the co-founder of the HoloX. My team and I have developed the best foldable and portable DIY hologram pyramid. We push the concept to the next level. It's portable, you can fold it, put it on your pocket, use it as a keychain and keep it always with you. It's stable and sticks on any screen of any size thanks to the nanosection technology. With a mobile app we developed, you can turn any video to a breathtaking hologram and blow your friends' minds. All that you have to do is shoot a video with your smartphone or grab it from the internet and play it with our mobile app. To come up with the HoloX final prototype, we used 3D printing and laser cutting to make dozens of prototypes and refine the concepts until we got the best result. The HoloX is developed to change the way we play our videos and share memories. Whether with your friends, with your family, with your girl or boyfriend, the HoloX gives you a whole new experience where you touch your memories, make them alive and hold them on your hands. The HoloX is born on the French Alps with the help of the Casma Fab Lab, carrying its makers' souls and their love of technology. We need your contribution to complete the development of our app and launch the manufacturing.